Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on friend activity on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on your photo here or your avatar. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then you just go above this sign settings here in app, click on it here. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take you in this list. Then you just go down here, so you keep going down here, then you come here to friend activity, so here for phone and here for email. So just click in this sign, and so in sorry, and like you see this color show for us here. So that's mean it's on no friend activity. Then you go up, click here in save. So that when you click here on save, then it's going to save with us on your Duolingo app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking